My other son, Kyle,
recently graduated.
He just graduated with his JD. He's taking his bar exam on July 27th, and he's going to be an attorney. He has political aspirations, wants to get into politics. He did some internships over at the state attorney's office in the federal courthouse down in Bridgeport. Wants to do some defense work, defense litigation. We're really proud of him. He's a kid that had a lot of patience and a lot of perseverance. He's really worked his ass off to get what he wanted, man. It was amazing to watch him just go for it. And with all the setbacks, and he went to Dayton school, and he didn't like it in Dayton. He came home and kind of wanted to get his LSAT scores up, and just really was focused and driven to get the scores up to where he can get into the school he wanted to, and ended up graduating, and he's moving full steam ahead, man. It's awesome.
That's awesome. Kyle went to St. Joe's in Trumbull,
Kyle
right?
went to St. Joe's, Went to St. Joe's. He went to all Catholic schools. He went to St. Catherine's.
All your kids went to St. Catherine's, right?
Correct. St. Catherine's, and the other kids went to Trumbull High, but Kyle went to St. Joe's, went to Catholic University of America in D.C. for his bachelor's, and then went to Quinnipiac for his JD.
That is awesome.
Yeah. And my daughter, Nicole, of course, she loves to sing, and she loves to be on Instagram, and she's
TikTok and all
that kind of stuff.